Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to train Claude AI to write like you. You can do this by going over to your Claude and then going over to settings. Right here at the bottom left corner you can see beside your profile icon there is a drop down option. You're going to select settings. Now under settings you can see profile. Here it says what personal preferences should Claude consider in responses. So here we're going to give Claude AI some preferences and styles for our writing. Now, as you can see, we have some information here. So when it comes to the writing style, we're giving this preference: write like a seasoned copywriter, use persuasive language, strong calls to action, and concise, benefit-driven sentences. You also see format preferences, response length, tone, and phrase usage. So of course, this is for me, but in your case, you might want to have a structure like this. So basically, tell Claude AI how you'd like to write. So this is going to train Claude to write just like me. In order to capture this, we're going to click on Save Changes. And as you can see, account preferences updated. So from now on, Claude is expected to write like me. So this is how to train Claude to write like you.